Are your curls way past their glory days? Have they gone limp, straight, and lack the proper curl definition? There are many reasons why curls lose their definition, including environmental factors, rough handling, heat styling, and even chemical treatments. If you're looking to restore or enhance your natural curl definition, then you clicked on the right video, because today we're breaking down all the steps you need to take to start seeing your curl definition come back. Keep in mind that no two heads of curls are the same, so you may need to mix and match and tweak things so that it work properly for you. But other than that, let's get into it. But before we dive into the video, if you just need a little bit more help on your curl journey to help you get organized so that you can achieve your best curl yet, make sure to go in the description and download my free Curly Girl Planner. There I help you get organized so you can build out the best curly hair regimen for yourself with the proper products and tools. So like I said, it's free, so go in the description, click the link, and I'll see you there. Alright, so first things first, if you're trying to get your curl definition back, you have to understand that curls love and thrive off of moisture. You'll notice that when your hair is thoroughly moisturized in like a deep conditioner or like a heavy moisturizing product, even in water, that those curls start to pop out and that definition is more enhanced. So if you're looking to get your curl definition back, you want to make sure that you eliminate anything that is drying out or compromising your curls. This is why the first step to getting your curl definition back is to detox your hair, detox your curls. This is because product buildup, sweat, and dirt, they build up on your hair and they dry out your hair, and this causes structural damage to your curls. So first things first, you want to grab a clarifying shampoo. A clarifying shampoo is deep enough to break up heavy dirt, heavy grime, so that you can properly moisturize your hair. Alright, so after we thoroughly detox our hair and we get all that dirt and grime off of it, the next step is to put that moisture into our hair that it's been missing out on. And in order for you to make sure that your curls get hydrated for longer, you always want to just grab a deep conditioner. I say if you have some forget about the regular conditioner. It's not serving you, just go ahead for a deep conditioner. Now I've had some backlash from fine hair curlies saying, oh, but sometimes deep conditioners are too heavy. There are conditioners that are just great for fine hair. So you have to know what your hair type is and the proper density, weight of a product that will work for your hair. In order to prevent breakage and maintain your curl pattern, you want to make sure when you are detangling your hair, you are gentle. Go in with your hands first and your deep conditioner. The deep conditioner will provide enough slip so that you can use your fingers to gently work your way through the knots and tangles. After you thoroughly detoxed your hair and given yourself a deep conditioning treatment, you want to seal in all that moisture with a leave-in conditioner that will make sure that you extend the length of your hydration. Because as we keep repeating, is that curls thrive off of moisture. So if you want to see those curls pop, you don't want to give them a chance to dry out. Dry curls are brittle curls, which means that they are going to break and fall to the floor curls. Ooh, that was good. Always start with a leave-in conditioner for better moisture retention and to prevent further damage to your hair. And then last product is an oil to just seal in all that moisture in those cream products so that they don't have a chance to escape into the air. Now I just want to expand on this and say that the order in which you apply your hair products matter. Now a lot of people are familiar with the lock method or the LOC, meaning leave-in, oil, and cream in that order. Now what I find to be better for moisture retention is actually going to LCO and letting that oil be your last product. And that is because we all know that water and oil don't mix. So as soon as you put an oil on your hair, any cream or moisturizing product that you put on top will never reach the hair because oil is a sealant. So I always tell my clients that no matter what you do, make the oil be the last product you put on your hair. And I also want to mention, don't put oil on your scalp, but that's another thing for another video. If you do LOC or LCO, just comment below and let's chat about it. What have you found helpful for your curl type? Sometimes our curls need a little help when forming their shape. So that's when you go in with a curl enhancing styler that will help define your curls and provide hold. There are different techniques to help you define your curl pattern. If you have a looser curl, you can always grab your curl enhancing styler and rake that product through your curls and then scrunch up. That's called the rake and scrunch, literally. And that will help your curls clump together, and then also provide that scrunch will encourage it to start forming that curl. And for those of us who have tighter curls and coils, you want to go in and finger coil. So this means you're going in smaller sections and grabbing a small section of hair and twirling it around your finger, maybe 3 times. You don't want to form a spiral, a spring, but just to encourage that coil to form the shape. So just a quick recap, if you have looser curls, try the rake and scrunch, and then for those who have tighter curls and coils, try finger coiling. Now for our next step, if you want to start seeing your curl definition come back, then you have to get a trim. And I say this because a lot of people are walking around with damaged curls. Now, if left untreated, if you have split ends, then those split ends run the risk of running up the healthy strands of your hair, and your curl definition will just cease to exist. In all honesty, damaged hair does not curl. So you want to make sure that you are booking your trim at least every 3 months, so you can make sure that you stay on top of it and make sure that those ends are strong and your hair is healthy. Now that finally brings us to our last step, which I will say is the most important, but is sometimes the hardest for people to achieve, and that is to remain consistent when you want to enhance your curl definition. That's because it's not a one-time fix and all of a sudden your curls bounce back. It takes healing. If your hair has been damaged, then that hair needs to heal, and healing takes time. So you want to be sure to show yourself and your hair some love to nurture it back to health, literally. So that means just being consistent with keeping it moisturized. That means being consistent with doing your proper trimmings. And that means being consistent with always showing up for it, because you know that once you put in the time, you will get the result. So don't be discouraged, just stick to it, keep your head down. And I know from my own experience with not only my hair, but with other clients, is that after like about a month of just being consistent with washing your hair once a week, deep conditioning, using the right products, giving your hair styles that will enhance the curl and protect it from damage, then within about a month, you'll notice a difference. So I hope this video helped. Don't forget to go in the description box and click the link to download my free curly girl planner. So let's get your hair back on track together. And until then, I'll catch you on the next. Bye.